water scarcity and the need for water conservation and management. Water scarcity means availability of water is uneven over space and time. There are various reasons for water scarcity in India. That is, variation in seasonal and annual precipitation, over-exploitation, excessive use, unequal access to water among different social groups. Most of rainwater flows into oceans. Seasonal rainfall around 9 months are waterless in major parts of India. Large and growing population, over-exploitation through tube wells and wells by farmers, intensive industrialization and urbanization, large number of MNCs, hydroelectric power generation plants contributes approximately 22% of the total electricity produced. Urban lifestyles, use of groundwater pumping devices by group housing societies. Last but not the least, decline in qualitative aspect by domestic and industrial waste.